Now we are going to look at three functions: week number, network days, and network days INTL. Let's start with week number. Week number function helps to identify the week number for specific date. Let me show you. So week number, then the first reference is serial number. You can choose a date, and the second one you have to specify week begins with which day. Is it on Sunday or Monday? So if it is Sunday, you have to choose one. If it's Monday, you have to choose two. So I say week start with Monday. That's 2. So now if you see here, this is the third week of the year. So let me paste the same formula for the other cells. So Feb 2nd is the 5th week of the year. April 16th is the 16th week of the year. So this function helps to identify week number for the specific date. Let's move to network days. Network days functions helps to identify the complete working days between the start date and end date. Equal to network days. So here the first reference is start date, choose the start date, and the second reference is end date, choose the end date, comma. Then you can also choose in case if you have any holidays in the year. So I have list of holidays here. So I'll choose everything and close the bracket. So if you see here, so the start date 17th March and the end date 31st March, the complete working days we have is 10. To check that also it will exclude the holiday. So from 17th March, let me check the complete working days 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, it's holiday, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So total we have 10 days between 17th March and 31st March. Let me copy paste this to other cells. So here between these 2 days I have 3 working days from 19th to 21st. Okay, so what I'll do here is from 19th to 21st, instead of 31st March, I'll make it 21st March. Sorry. Instead of 31st May, I'll make it 21st March. So here I have 3 days, right? The net working days. So now, sorry, 5. So now it become 2. So because between 11th May and 21st is 3 days earlier we got. So now I added one more days in the holiday. So that got excluded from the result. Now move to next function, network days INTL. So the difference between network days and network days INTL is, so here you can also include the weekend. You can define the weekend. Let me show you. Network days, and choose the start date and choose the end date, comma. So here you'll get a weekend. So few will have mainly most of them have Saturday, Sunday as a weekend, and some of them will have weekend only on Sunday. Saturday will be working. So here I will say, so I'll take only Sunday is the weekend, rest all is the working days. So I'll choose 11, comma, and also as usual we can choose the holiday. So this is the holiday list. So now if you see here, the net working days, there's something wrong. Start date, end date, let me try again. INTL start date, it's 17th March, end date is this, and weekend I'll choose only Sunday is a weekend, comma, I have these many holidays. Now we are getting the right results. It's 12. So to check in the previous function, so from 17th to 31st we got 10 working days. Same 17th to 31st we are getting 12 working days. The main reason is, so here we are saying only Sunday is the weekend, Saturday is a working day. Let's move on to next function.